Hey y'all, today is a beauty day. I've already done my nails. Look at this. Look at this. I just freestyled this with some of my favorite colors. I did do a reel, so you can check that out in case you're interested in doing this design on your own nails. Okay, so now I'm going to be trying out the YouLuck Moonlight Lash Cluster Kit for the very first time. I've been seeing these all over, so I had to test them out for myself, of course. So of course, in the kit, you're getting the clusters, you're getting the bond and seal, and you're also getting the cluster lash remover. And you're also getting the little tweezer, which makes it easier to apply. I did not do a good job at showing how to use the tweezer in this video because it kept sticking to the bond, because I'm just not used to this good of a bond. Side note, when purchasing a kit for yourself, be sure to use code BROSIA for 10% off. I have also included a link in the description for you. But here's the thing, I've realized I'm not a fan of the cat eye lash look on me. So instead of placing the longest clusters on the outer corners, I'm switching it up. I'll be placing the longest clusters in the middle. I'm going for a more open eye effect, so I'll be placing the longer clusters right in the center and going shorter toward the outer corners. This should give my eyes a more lifted, rounded look instead of that elongated cat eye shape. So let's see how this turns out. These clusters are super lightweight and I love that they're easy to apply, though I am struggling with the bond. The tackiness is so much stronger than what I'm used to. You guys, I've been using like the cheaper stuff, so I'm not used to this type of tackiness, and it's a good thing, but it's definitely going to take some getting used to. Also, the band on these clusters is so thin. They blend in nicely with my natural lashes. So I'm just layering them strategically, making sure to keep that gradual length transition for the effect I want. I'm really liking the look of this. I'm not really happy with the way that I have laid them, but this is my first time working with this brand. I can't say it enough. Y'all saw me struggling. Here I am, sealing the lashes, locking them in place. I'm just not used to this type of quality. Even the wand on the seal is just creme de la creme. Okay, so here's the finished look on one eye. I definitely prefer this placement over the cat eye style. My eyes look so much more open and awake, which is exactly what I'm going for. The lashes themselves, they're super comfortable. I love how fluffy they are. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer cat eye lashes or more of an open style? Will you try this method of application with the longer clusters in the middle? Let me know. Still I don't know. I went really big and bold. I usually don't go this big and bold, but I wanted to kind of see the extreme. Okay, so I really like these lashes. They're much softer than any of the other brands that I've used in the past. They're fluffier, and overall they give me more of that look. Also, the look that I try to go for. What I notice about these is they also don't have like that shiny plastic look like the other lashes we have. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like the shiny plastic baby doll lashes. And no shade to that, because I still got some in there. And you know, I'm not against them. I would still wear those. But immediately I noticed that they don't have that sheen. You know, I could do without the sheen. I really like this. I feel like I feel like they blend pretty well. Note that I did go longer for video purposes, but typically I do like to do shorter. So what I did is, you know, I did the 16 in the middle, 14 on each side of that. I did a 12 on the outer corner and then a 10 on the inner corner. Typically, I don't know, for more of a natural look, I'll probably do a 14 in the center, 12 on each side, and then a 10 on the outer and the inner, or maybe two 12s on the outer and a 10 on the inner. I'm not sure. I'll try that next time when I take these off and reapply. I'll probably do it in short form just to speed things up. But overall, I really like these. They're really soft. I'm gonna leave a link below for you guys. Really soft. I just feel like I have to get used to the bond and the seal. It's much different. The bond is much tackier, so this was getting stuck to it. So first time applying YouLuck lashes. It's gonna be a little bit of trial and error. I feel like next time I'll have it down packed. Let me know how you feel about these. This is the Moonlight kit. I really like the fluffiness of these. They have other kits to choose from. Let me know how you feel about the Moonlight kit and what kit is probably on your radar. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button so we know that you like it and that we do more content like this. Also, please leave a comment. That really helps with engagement. It helps the algorithm push the content out and lets people know that, hey, this is an interesting video, you should watch it. So the comments are very important. I know I have a lot of you guys that don't like to comment, but even if it's just a heart or a smiley face or a, I don't know, anything, a single word, that really helps. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye.